Hi, myself Ajin Chandran. So what I'm going to show you all today is I'm going to create a logo using Keynote and save the file in both image as well as PNG format. So in order for us to do that, first I'll have to select Keynote and then select new document and go for basic white. And then I'm going to select all the font and delete it, so you don't have to put too much pressure into it. Just make the slide blank. So I'm going to select document because I want to change the slide size. So go to custom slide size and width I'm going to go for 6000 and height also 6000. So it will look somewhat like this. Okay. So I'm going to create a logo using the name Scorpius because this is one company that we are about to start. So I'll show you like how we have created our logo. First I'll select text and I'm going to type the company name Score P I is small letter Scorpius. So this is what the text is looking like. I want it to be white, so I'm going to go to format and text. Then I'm going to change the color to white. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background to black because I love this texture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the text and go for white. I'm going to change the size to 300. Okay. Then I'm going to change the font size also. I like this headline very much, so it will look somewhat like this. So in order for my logo to make more sense, I'm going to go to downloads and select this image. This is one image that I have downloaded before. Like, this is not something given in Keynote. You can use any sort of image for your logo. This is one that I'm going to use. So I want to remove the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this slide and delete this text and may enlarge this one so that I can see what the background will look like. Then I'll select the image and I'm going to remove the background. So this is remove background in image. This is actually a new update thing. So if you don't see it in here, don't be worried. You will find that in edit in your older versions of Keynote. I'm going to change this. Okay. So I have completely removed all the background unwanted things. So I'm going to keep this small and I'm going to copy paste this. In order for you to copy paste that, it's like Command C and Command V for pasting it. I'm going to delete this picture. I'm going to so it's like there is no rule for you to do like this or that. Like, it's basically up to your choice. You can do anything with the fonts, you can do anything with the images. You just do what makes sense to you while you are designing your logo. I'm going to delete this page. So I actually like this. This is a very formal and also this makes more sense to our company. So this is how our logo will look like. So I'm just going to make sure that I'm going to group this. I'm just going to make sure that this stays in the middle of the page. So I grouped this two thing and I'm just looking for the right place in the middle. It's hard to find. Oh, it's so tough to find the middle. Okay. I'm going to place this in the center. Okay. So now it's aligned in the center. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this image. So in order for me to save this as an image file, I'll go to file and then export to images. Then in the slides, like if you are having multiple pages, like select from and select the page that you want to do as a image file. Just make sure that you are saving it in JPEG high quality format. Save. So I'm going to save my file in my desktop so that I can show you guys. Scorpius YouTube. Okay, I'll show you how the image came out. Oh my god, it's not saved in my desktop, it's saved okay. So this is how the image will look like. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is I want to save this in a PNG format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one and I'm going to copy this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to preview. Okay, preview, and then I'm going doesn't have to be anything, like you can select anything. So I'm going to select this file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to file and then new from clipboard. So this is how the your logo will look like in PNG format. So in order for you to save this file, just go to file, save, any name you want to name it. So I'm going to name it Scorpius YouTube, and I'm going to just make sure that your format is in PNG. Okay, and save. So I'll show you how it came out. Scorpius YouTube. Okay, here it is. So okay, so this is how our logo has came out. Like, just look at the quality of the image. So this is from my side. Like, thank you all for watching me. Like, thank you so much. Stay tuned for more videos.